guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who do not know, I am Sierra. I do specialize in making credit make sense so you guys can overcome your financial hardships. So basically my job here is just to walk you along your journey on repairing your credit. I want to help as many people as I can this year of repairing their credit. So first things first, let's get into what we're going to talk about, and that is how to remove collections from your credit report. So first thing is, if you receive a collection notice in the mail, you want to respond immediately. You have 30 days to respond to them. If you don't, you can risk this getting reported to your credit report. You want to respond and send them a debt validation letter. It's basically you asking them to prove that this debt is indeed yours. Now, in this letter, I'll put a letter on the screen, but in this letter, you're asking them for them to send you a copy of the original contract with your name bearing your signature. You want to ask them for a copy of the payment history. It's two more. Let me see. It is ask for the name and address of the original creditor and ask for proof of the collection authorization. So you want to ask for all four of these. If they can verify that this debt is indeed yours, then you want to make sure that you set up some type of payment arrangement to avoid this getting hit on your credit report. So make sure you work something out. Now, if this debt is not yours and they cannot even verify the debt is actually yours, then in that case, they will cease all communication. I have had this happen with me a few times. Collection agency tried to collect on the debt. I sent them that debt validation letter. After that, they ceased all communication. I have never heard from them again because they don't have the right to collect on a debt that they can't even prove is yours. So 9 times out of 10, when you send that letter, they're just gonna leave you be. So next, say the collection actually did hit your credit report. What you want to do is send the credit bureaus a round 1 investigation letter, and you want to send the collection agency that debt validation letter. Now with this, normally I see deletions within the 3rd, maybe 4th round, but normally I always see deletions when it comes to collections. I feel like it's the easiest things to get deletions on. So you want to send that round 1 letter. If it comes back verified, you want to send your the round 2 letter, method of verification. And again, if it comes back verified that this is indeed your debt, in this case, you want to ask for a pay to delete. A pay to delete is you asking the collection agency for a payment in exchange for them to delete the collection from your credit report. You're going to send them a letter. You're going to make sure you have all copies of the back and forth communication that you are sending to them, just in case that they do not delete the collection after y'all made that agreement. You can take it to the credit bureaus and they will indeed delete the account. So this is what you will do if you cannot get the collection to be gone and you need to hurry up and get this off. You want to ask for a payment deletion. But I recommend to keep disputing. It's different rounds you can dispute with. You could do factual disputing. I'll talk more about this in later videos. But yeah, you could do factual disputing in so many different ways. So those are pretty much the 2 methods when it comes to disputing collections. And of course, the 3rd one would be just leave it on your credit report. And if you don't know, that can fall off within 7 years, and that is too long. I automatically recommend that you dispute if you can. Now, I do want to go over some rules. When you're disputing with the collection agencies, you need to always send the letter certified because you need to keep a paper trail of what you're sending. Next, do not include a copy of your ID because you do not want to basically prove that this debt is yours. You're doing their job, so don't send a copy of your ID. Do not sign the letters because they will match signatures. Don't sign the letters. Do not handle any business over the phone. If a collection agency call you, you tell them that they can contact you by mail and hang up. You need to not dispute over the phone. Do not agree to make any payments over the phone. Please don't do that. So that is pretty much all that I had to talk about when it comes to collections. If you guys have any questions, if you want me to look over your credit report, please feel free to reach out to me directly, and I will be glad to assist you all on your credit journey. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.